Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the day. And I mean the day because it is Valentine's Day today, so I'm filming this filled with love and appreciation for the world and however cringe it sounds, I really do. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha and this is Martha's Makeup, obviously. What we are doing today, obviously you've seen the title of this video. We are showing you I say we, it's just me here, well, and my 20 other personalities. Anyway, what we are doing today is we are showing you two easiest ways and most common ways to blend perfectly. So blending is that kind of thing that most makeup artists, beginners, not beginners, everyone struggle with, because no matter what look you do, blending is the key for it to look actually good. Like blending the colors together, even if you just use two colors whatsoever, blending is the key for it to look really good and professional. It usually takes a lot of time and it's not as easy as it sounds. So we are going to show you two easiest ways to, I'm showing three for some reason, two easiest ways to blend. One of them, I use both of them depending on what type of colors I use. I'm going to tell you what type of colors are best with which type of way of doing it. Yes, and obviously I'm going to tell you what I use and when I use it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with eye number 1 and eye number 2, and you can decide for yourself which one you like better. So if you want to become the blending master and the blending queen, make sure you first do what? You subscribe to this channel right now. Yes, there's gonna be an amazing animation right here that I did. Hey, click, click. I'm very proud of it because I'm not very technologically inclined, if you may. And yes, subscribe to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's cue this intro. Okay, so here we are, the brows are done. Because we're focusing just on blending today, I am not going to be showing you the full face that I do. You're just going to see the look at the end. We're going straight to blending. So first, obviously priming, PLouise. Remember, any base, eyeshadow base is good as long as you use it, basically. So remember that the eyeshadow base is supposed to be showing on your eyes. You're supposed to be able to see it. So first I'm blending mine a little bit with a brush, with a flat brush, and then I'm gonna end it with the beauty blender. But remember that you are still supposed to see it. So eyeshadow base makes it so much easier to blend the colors together, for them to actually look well together, to show on the lid. So eyeshadow base is the first most important step to good blending. Thank you very much. Okay, so the first thing we're doing, the first eye, is going to be the darkest to the lightest method. That is the method that most beauty gurus use, as far as I'm concerned. I use it quite often, and it's really good when you are blending the eyeshadows that are really dark. So when you start with black and want to go lighter, when you start with dark brown or purple and stuff and want to go really light, that is the method that I would use. So we are starting with a dark brown here. So I'm using the James Charles palette, going in with the dark brown on a small brush like this. And we are just placing the shadow there for now, in the lid, on the lid. Okay, so as you can tell, we just have that shape here. It's not really blended. We don't do anything really with it yet. We just have that shape, and the darkest color, we just want to pack it there so it shows. Then we take a bit bigger blending brush like this, and we just use a bright orange shade. We place it right on that color, on that dark color, and a little bit out. And what we are doing is just following that shape that we created, and we are literally just placing that color there with the smallest, tiniest movements of the brush, like circular motions. Okay, so a little bit bigger brush, a blending brush with yellow on it, and again we do exactly the same thing. So we just use it on the edges of that orange, the smallest circular motions, and a little bit out. We're just dragging it a little bit. So we're literally using the smallest motions right on the edge of that orange, like a little bit on it and dragging it out like that, right? And we just keep doing it and keep adding that yellow until we can see that it all looks well blended together. You don't have like just 3 stripes of different colors, that they're kind of blended. You just keep doing those small motions on the edge. And we're going to do a quick half cut crease. So I'm just using a little bit of makeup remover on the Q-tip. So I'm trying to use a little bit of makeup remover on the Q-tip, yay. And I'm just cleaning that shape here. That is roughly what I want it to look like. Then I'm gonna add some, put some eyeshadow base here and just place some colors. So I'm just gonna probably speed that up because there's not gonna be much talking. It's just gonna be placing colors right on that shape that I created. There we go. Yeah, let's go. What we've got so far. As you can see on the bottom, I literally just did the same thing as I did on the top. So just dark brown, then orange, and then yellow, and did the exact same thing. And then on the lid, we've got again yellow, orange, and then a pop of blue, because why the heck not? I promise it's gonna look better when we are completely done with the look, because I also added this blue liner here because I decided that it's gonna look fun. I don't know, maybe it won't, we'll see at the end. So we've got the primer on the other eye as well, and we are going to do the exact opposite of what we did before. So we are using the brightest colors first. So we are starting with the yellow, and then we are going in with the darker colors on top. So that method is really good anytime really, but it's really good with brighter colors, I believe. Like if you don't really end with black on the lid or anything like that, then this method is really, really good. I'm using the yellow first. Let's just get right to it. There we go. So we are placing that yellow literally all over where we want it. So up to the brow bone, we are just using the circular motions right here. And then we are going in with the orange that I had right here. So we are literally just going a little bit on top of that color, that yellow, and then below. And we are using the same circular motions. I feel like this method is a lot easier to make it just look presentable, if that makes sense. So probably if you are a beginner, surprisingly that is not a common opinion, but this is going to be an easy way for you because colors just blend easier this way. As you can see, I'm not really using much, like I'm not really doing anything special, and it looks really nicely blended already. And then we're going with this darker color. which might be the hardest part, we will see. So let's just start here in the outer corner. Put that color right where we want the shape to be. So about here. Just pack that color there, and then we are going to deal with the blending. So we've got that small brush, and we are using the same circular, small, tiny motions that we used before. We are going a little bit on that orange, but we don't want to cover everything, obviously. See that I'm not really adding any more shadow. I'm just blending what I already have on my brush and what I placed on the lid, and it's really coming together. It's really looking nice. This method might be a bit harder if you want like a very specific shape. So to achieve that shape, it might be easier to start with the dark, get that shape in, and then blend out. But to be honest, when it comes just to the blending, like, this looks really good. I'm just gonna go back with the brush with the orange, but don't put anything more on it. I'm just gonna go with that brush and whatever's left on it and kind of blend. Okay, so let me just show you quickly how I did that liner thing. Where is that brush that I need? So I'm just taking that thin eyeliner brush. Oh my god, where is it? I lost it? No. See, I don't know. There it is. So that is the eyeliner brush. There we go, like the really thin one. I'm literally spraying some setting spray on it, and I just sprayed some on my camera, great. I'm spraying some setting spray, making it thin with my fingers that are blue now. And I'm just placing it literally in the blue eyeshadow. So that is all I do. Like, I'm not really using actual blue liner. And that is what the eye looks like before. And then we're just gonna quickly do the liner right where the cut crease is. Okay guys, so that is officially the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Definitely let me know which method do you use more often and do you like more. I honestly don't even know. It depends on the colors and then depends on the day, I suppose. I do like to go from lighter to darker just because I feel like it's a lot easier and looks a bit better, but it doesn't work with every type of look. So definitely let me know which one you like more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and obviously make sure you follow my Instagram as well, Martha's__makeup, because I am taking part in a lot of competitions and I would appreciate some love from you guys. Let me know what you think of my newest Mitchell look, Mondays by Mitchell. It's a really cool competition that's going on right now, organized by Mitchell, obviously, and his brand Made by Mitchell. So Mondays by Mitchell, we basically recreate every Monday. We recreate a look that Mitchell does. We add our own twist to it, spin on it, and we just go full creative and crazy. And my looks literally are these are the first times that I ever did like such creative artistic looks, and I'm really happy about them. So make sure you subscribe. You follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, and just guys, let me know what you think. See you in the next one.